In this video, we'll be learning how to copy our profile URL and also shorten the URL. For us to do that, we go to the top right in this me, then you choose view profile. When you click on view profile, it takes you to your profile. Now this is my name, Odemela Mukeria. Now if I want to edit my profile, if we have a longer number or longer name, I want to edit it, you come to this public profile and URL, click on this pencil icon. When you click on the pencil icon, you now come to this personalize the URL of your profile. Click on the pencil icon again, edit your custom URL, click on this icon, and then you can now shorten it. So you now clean whatever is there or rename it to whatever you want. So if name is available, you can save. Now click on save, and then you refresh. You just go back and then refresh. You'll find out that the URL link has been shortened. And when you come to this www.linkedin.in, then you see that the link has actually been shortened. You can now copy and then paste it wherever you are being told to paste. So Ctrl C to copy, or you come here, right click and click on copy, and then paste it in whatever document you want to paste it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.